I'll go through here first.
Sounds worried.
I don't like them making eye contact.
Freak you out.
Yeah, it's a bit like they're just going to pounce. Oh, I like the ones on the hill.
I didn't realise you'd get this close.
It's interesting that they don't jump out.
Well, there's a ledge.
Yeah, stopping them from climbing. So maybe they just don't jump, but it's climbing, burrow, and climb.
Yeah. Well, if that tree just, it could.